Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Simmer Down. Today I am going to show you how I make my cabbage. Okay, I am going to combine red cabbage and green cabbage together. All right, so there's going to be a presentation there because we're also going to put some veggies in there. And it's not only going to be a presentation, okay, but there's going to be an awesome taste, okay, because we're going to be using a lot of natural ingredients. So stay tuned. Let me go wash my hands and I'll be right back. So my hands are cleaned and I'm ready to roll. Right now I have my pan preheated on medium heat. All right. I am going to take some EVOO, extra virgin olive oil, and I'm going to put it in this pan. I'm not going to put too much, about 2 tablespoons of oil. Now, what I do is I do my peppers and onions and carrots first, and then I do the cabbage last. We're just going to cook this down enough where it's tender. But not too mushy. And because this takes longer than all the other veggies, I rather cook this separate. The way I cut it is I actually cut it about a 1/2 inch thick. No, a 1/4 inch thick. Okay? And the reason why I did that is because I don't want it to take so long to cook. The thicker it is, the longer it takes to cook. So just to prevent all of that, I just cut it up like a 1/4 inch thick. I'm going to place it in here and put it. I still have my fire on a medium high heat. And the way I cut the peppers is I just cut them like in squares. I would say square. About, I would say an inch wide or 1.5 inches wide on each side. So we're just going to let the peppers sweat a little bit. We're not going to overcook this as well. You can see that? So what I'm going to do now is, because I see it starting to sweat a lot, I'm going to take it out, and now I'm going to add my onions in here. Okay, so let me get the bowl and I'm going to place this all in here. We do not want it to overcook. The same bowl. Okay. All right, now this is all mixed together. The carrots and the peppers. Just a little. Alright. So now I'm going to put the onions in there. Okay. I'm going to place it in the bowl with all the other veggies in this bowl. Alright. Take it out. I don't know if you guys can see the little brown. Alright. So now I'm going to mix this all together because I want them to fellowship. I want them to get to know each other. Just another tablespoon So when I was talking about presentation, just these two colors together makes it look good. So we're not only going to aim for the look, we need it to taste good too. So that's when this comes in. I try my best not to use too much salt. So I'm just going to keep stirring this in until it looks like it's tender, okay? And it's going to start sweating. It's going to create a little bit of water naturally. You see? Pink sea salt. All right. Some granulated garlic. This is a tablespoon and this is a tablespoon of onion powder. Right. I've actually roasted some garlic. It might be too much garlic, but for me, it's never too much. So it's optional. You can put roasted garlic if you like. And if you don't, that's fine too. I have about 4 cloves of roasted garlic that I'm going to put in this pan as well. You see? Roasted garlic. Just a little kick to my cabbage. So what I'm going to do, I had chopped up just, I would say about 1/4 of a habanero pepper, which is Scotch bonnet pepper. You do not have to put this in here, all right? This is optional. So now I'm going to add my peppers, onions, and carrots. And then we're going to combine it together. Just mix it. And I don't know if you can see all of the beautiful colors that's coming together, but we also have flavor. We got a little heat from the Scotch bonnet pepper. We got flavor coming from the onion powder, the garlic, sea salt. Just a little 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, okay? That we're going to put inside of here. And just make sure it's broken up very well. We're going to cook this just about 2 more minutes. And then it will be completely done. This is my cabbage. We used nothing but natural ingredients. This is my cabbage, okay? We used red cabbage, green cabbage, tricolor sweet peppers, which is red, orange, and green sweet peppers. We had some roasted garlic in there. We have a little bit of Himalayan sea salt, onion powder, and just a teaspoon of brown sugar. And optional, this is optional, If you want a little Scotch bonnet pepper, you can put some in there as well, just to give it a little kick, but you don't have to do it. All right. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is it. Thank you guys. Thank you for joining me today on Simmer Down. If you like this channel, click the like button, comment down below, and subscribe. And also share with your friends and family. I will also have some videos coming up for everyone. Vegan, pescatarian, carnivores. I have it. All right. And if you want to be notified, click the notification bell. All right. So you won't miss a thing. Well, until we meet again, enjoy and stay safe. Take care. Bye.